I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Guys, I'm back for another product review, and today I am reviewing the Altruistic Aloe Grow Indispensable Aloe on your windows. So if you ever wanted to grow your own aloe plant, you definitely can buy this kit and grow your own aloe plant right in your home. So basically what this kit is a high quality custom terrarium. And you can grow, it sprouts readily, easy to grow, unique grower, seed squares. What's inside the box right here, as you can see, you have a terrarium inside here, pack of aloe, you have a premium compressed disc natural gravel, and an instruction manual in here. Super superior soil, compressed soil. This is soil. They actually put the soil in there. Includes natural additives such as worm casting, kelp, and other nutrients that will nourish your plants to help them thrive. You may want to add additional nutrients after a few months to keep them nourishing. So that's what the box looks like. Aloe. Aloe is easy and rewarding to growing and the care. Here's the instructions on the back. Clean air right here. 1 through 8. Nice instructions. Easy instructions. And made in America, USA. So let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, it's all in the one kit. There it is. Ooh, okay, that's that. As you can see here, you got the instruction manual, you got the terrarium, you got the soil, and then you have this seeds there. You got the seeds, and then you have your aloe plant right there. Damn it. Alright, you guys, I've got the bottom out. This is the bottom of the terrarium right here. And as you can see, this sits right in here. And then basically what you do after that, as you can see, it's got everything on here. You got your pack of aloe. This is your pack of aloe. And this is the compressed disc. This is basically your soil. So the soil is going to go in there first. And then you're going to put these aloe. This is aloe right here. This is crazy. You put the aloe in the soil. And then once you do that, it gives you instructions here about the light, the water. Germination is 1 to 2 months. There are 200 biologically active compounds in the aloe. Treat scrapes, cuts, and burns. You can use aloe on treat scrapes, burns, spreads readily. So here you go right here. These are, yeah. Oh, these are actually the aloe seeds. So, oh, okay. Here you have your terrarium. You have your terrarium. You have your compressed disc. You have your gravel, and here you have your aloe seeds right inside here. So right here, you plant it 1/8 of the way, cover with gravel. So and then you cover with the gravel as you put. So you put this in first, put the seeds in 1/8 of the way, then you cover it with gravel. Germination is 1 to 2 months. Growing in care. Here's the instruction manual for how to do it. Spreads readily. There are 200 biological active compounds in the aloe. So that's basically the whole setup. Once you finish, and like I said, you do have the tag here, so you can put your dates on it and everything when you started it and grow. And then it's labeled Altruistic Aloe. So once you finish, once it grows in 1 to 2 months, it'll look just like that, and you'll have your own homegrown aloe. So as you know, when you go to the stores, the aloe is real expensive. But we're going to see how this works. We're going to make this video. We'll come back in about 1 to 2 months and let you guys see. I might make a video halfway through just so you can see how the process is going. But you can buy this. This is real inexpensive. I will have the link below so you can pick up your own aloe kit so you can grow your own aloe at home. Alright, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed this review. Please like and subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next review.